Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to bake a cake in the toaster oven. And a little while back, I did a little experiment. I baked brownies in the toaster oven, and they did turn out pretty good. Really good. And they were really good, and I was surprised. And I know you guys seen one of my videos that I actually did make a cake in the microwave, but I thought maybe I should bake a cake in my toaster oven. Sorry about that, guys. And how can it hurt? I mean, I like trying new things in the kitchen and, of course, experimenting. Alright, what I have right here are two 8-inch round cake pans that can go into the toaster oven, and of course they won't melt. Alright, let me get set up here. And what I have in the bowl there is red velvet cake mix. I absolutely love red velvet. And I'm going to take this. Hold on, let me do something first. I'm going to take this. I'm just going to plop to make sure that you do get, hopefully they have the same amount. Just want to make sure, you know what I mean. Sorry about that, guys. That was my doorbell cam. And of course, someone is texting me right now, but they can always wait. Now, if any of you did bake something in the toaster oven, please let me know, because I would like to know what you guys baked, okay? And I like to learn as well. Okay, let me just scrape this off. I say those are pretty much even. I mean, we should find out. Alright, let me do something first. Sorry guys, I do apologize for my doorbell cam. Sometimes it could be a little annoying. Alright, I guess that's... Let me watch the sign. Okay. Just let me move my cake pans, and I'll be right with you guys. Alright, here's my toaster oven. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one on the top and one on the bottom. I'm going to put this one on top, and I'm going to put this one on the bottom. And yes, I will watch it really carefully. Okay. And yes, this is the blend that I'm using. And let's see. 2 8 2 8-inch cake pans, 24 to 28 minutes. And we want go to bake, and it's on the right temperature, but I need to. I'll start with 24. And hopefully this experiment will be a success, because I really wanted to try it with you guys and see how it turns out. And I do love experimenting with you guys. Alright, I'll end this video for now, but there will be a part 2 to this, and I'll see you guys in part 2. In the meantime, bye for now. See you in part 2.